Welcome people, big up everybody. Thank you for joining me back here in Jamaican chat. We did telling us we're gonna turn up the channel, we're gonna get loaded, and that is what we're doing exactly. So we're here to talk about the PEP results. Big up all the kids. I know it is stressing because when I did have COVID, I deal with pandemic, school from home. We have never heard about that, people, because I mean, while we were growing up, we didn't get the opportunity. We would have loved, but we never got the opportunity to, do schooling from home. So all right, we're gonna jump into the intro real quick, and then we're gonna come back, talk about the PEP results. Big up everybody once more. And people, the results aren't fully out as yet. It's gonna be available tomorrow by 4 p.m. on the website, but we're gonna get into the details and come back real quick. Big up Jamaican chat. Alright, thank you for joining me, and thank you for staying with me through the intro and staying back with me and all of that. And that video nice, so kids can stay on, parents can stay on, that is babysitters, guardian, everybody. You understand? But alright, so there are some letters going around. The government is actually sending out letters to all the kids that partake in partook, because it's actually past tense, but in the PEP the other day, right? We got some letters, so you can check with your school. If the school didn't contact with you, you can reach out to them directly, and you should be able to get the information on that. And the letter is very detailed, people. It's actually telling your kids congratulations. And as I said, people, I have a child that's going to high school September, so I am very excited about this. I'm gonna know some of you are gonna mash it up, you understand? Good results, them thing that we're calling right now. But as I said, the government sent a letter, and that letter is basically, it's giving you a username and it's giving you a password. I'm gonna have some little pictorial things on the side of the image, so you guys can take a look and know exactly how to go about it. But it's on our website, and you're gonna see the website on the screen as well, and you can just go to that website, and the username is gonna be, it's gonna be mixed with your child's name and his date of birth. Yeah, it's gonna be mixed with your child's name and his date of birth, and the password is gonna be his date of birth. I think it's year, month, and then day, or day, month, year, one of the two. It's gonna be on the screen, people, so you can just follow the instructions from there. As I said, the results aren't fully out as yet. They are available, but for those special people eyes only, not for our eyes as yet. And it's gonna be available for our eyes by tomorrow. That's on Friday by 4 p.m. Yeah, by 4 p.m. That's what the government is saying. And it's really sad because I never wanted, my child graduated. We went to graduation Friday gone it was? Yeah, Friday gone it was. And it was just like a sense of not, I'm not gonna say not achieving, because I mean he did achieve, he did do all the years of prep school and whatever. But the thing about it is, I'm used to, whenever I'm passing out from 6th grade, I know the high school that I'm going to already, before graduation, before anything, you understand? And I mean, I know that there was a pandemic, people, so don't come at me or anything like that. I know that there was a pandemic, so the thing did kind of get slow. But the government should have did, make sure so the youths them get them results before them graduate, because when you're graduating, you know which school you go. It just help you, make you feel better. You understand? In terms of know what you're doing, how you're gonna go about that. You understand? Perfect. So people, this is just a quick vlog, by the way, a quick video. I wanted to get my face out there, because we normally they be on the phone and talk and all of that, and we decide to cut out all of that, because we're going in the streets. We want to go in the streets, talk to a lot of people. There are a lot of exciting topics out there, people. A lot of exciting topics, and we are going to handle it. You understand? So expect more of that for future purposes. And there's another thing I wanted to talk about. Guys, if you like this video, please share, please like, please subscribe. And help people to know that these are actually instructions that you can follow in terms of checking your results online. And I would urge you to get in contact with the schools I think it's maybe too late for today, but early tomorrow morning, because the results are going to be out by 4 p.m. and you don't want the results out and you don't get it the whole weekend. You wait until Monday and all of that. And there are also some contact numbers that you guys can reach out to if you need to. If you're trying to access the portal, like trying to log in online and you're not getting anything, not getting anywhere, maybe the password not work and all of that, you guys can call. They have a help desk. So big up education ministry on that, because the thing has upgraded a lot. I'm not gonna lie. Now we have health line, all of them somewhere. So even though you have some drawbacks, and we're gonna blame it on the whole pandemic thing, there was some drawbacks which delayed the results and all of that. But now accessing the results, it's made easy. It's made easy, and thumbs up. Put on the remote. Big up yourself. Big up yourself. Government, Ministry of Education, all of that. Big up on yourself. So people, as I said, I'm gonna please like that video here, share, subscribe people, and look out for more exciting videos from Jamaican Chat. This is a friendly channel, people, so it's for everyone. It's not just for grown people. It's not gonna have anything derogatory on it, so please just gear up, make a run out, get some views up and all of that. Big up, peace out, thank you, Jamaican Chat.